Let's see where this goes. I gotta go drop off some packages. Sending swing arm caps and Mexican snack cakes to Hawaii. And we are sending Kevin Olson some LEDs to play with so that we can make light up end caps for the swing arms. He's already got some really cool stuff, but I have some small LEDs that are really bright that I think that can do what need to get done without having to buy automotive bulbs. So we're gonna go ahead and ship those off right now, and gonna take Stretch with me. So far I've only done 2 night rides. Let's take it out in the day and have some fun with it. So yeah, last night came up with these hub adapters that will fit a 14-inch, a 12-inch, or a 10-inch RAZOR wheel. You can put 35 chain adapters on now and split them all out as you want. And my swing arms, of course, those are my swing arms. She doing? Lots of heat. Ooh, lizard. What? What's wrong? It's a sidewalk. I'm allowed to do this. I'm okay. Ass. toolbox are new, so I'm very grateful. Yeah, 47 volts. Boy, I pushed the shit out of it, didn't I? Oh no, here comes management.
Take it off.
That's what she said.
Yeah, you know better.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Too many 18-wheelers ran that shit over. Max RPM, so I can get more speed out of it. I just don't need to. That's the 45-mile-an-hour zone. Nobody does the speed limit. So I'm doing 43. To look. Isn't it gorgeous? ¿Qué pasó? We just got off a line. She ain't trying to work. Brakes. Rip, rip, rip.